Hey everybody, Caitlin Shamey here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Happy 2018. Happy New Year's. I still cannot believe we're in the year 2018. It was like yesterday, I was just graduating college, which was in 2013, so yeah. So today's video is going to be all about goals, planning, etc. that I want to do in 2018. And some of it is going to be YouTube related, so if you are excited for more videos in 2018 from me, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, which is basically the same thing. Hit that subscribe button below the video and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time that I upload a video. So let's get into my 2018 goals. I had the inspiration from Kaylin Nicholson. I don't know. She's like my favorite YouTuber. I'll link her down below. She has like the most inspiring videos, and I feel like she's literally like the best. She creates videos about planning and goals and all that. So she had a notebook for 2018 and I was just like, I need one. So I have this nice bright red one, and it says, she makes the day brighter. She leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. And then I put gold washi tape, and I just put 2018. And then 2018 lists, goals, etc. So these are my goals right now, but they might change. Some might come and go. You never know what lies ahead. I'm being all like inspirational. Am I? I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna list them off, and then I'm just gonna go into them one by one. I just kind of want to give other people inspiration because I was watching videos and I was like, oh, I need to do that more. Oh, I need to do this more. So if you find anything that you need to do in this, like from my list, comment down below, and like we'll help each other out because we're all friends here. So first thing is to keep track of money. I am absolutely horrible with keeping track of money. I need to write down when things are going to be due in my planner. Like, it's just bad. Like, money comes out of my account and I'm like, why am I negative? Like, seriously, it's bad. And the next is eat healthier, lose weight. I have been going up and down with my weight for a very long time. I was like around 170 pounds, I think, but now I'm like back to 180, which is really bad. But it was the holidays, so obviously you had to eat all the holiday foods. This next one is probably going to be really, really interesting to you guys, but this year I plan on getting my permit. I do not drive. Little side story. I was a junior in high school and I had my permit and I was driving and I was dropping off a friend, and my mom and I switched places. So after I dropped off a friend, she got into the driver's seat and I got into the passenger seat. And we went down this like really horrible intersection in my town and we got in a car accident. That basically, like, I had flashbacks, like basically PTSD of it. Like, it was so bad because I saw the car coming. It was just like I still get flashbacks to this day. So that was junior year. I didn't want to get it senior year, and then going off to college. Freshmen can't have cars on campus, so I would usually like take the shuttle at my school or take the T, like the transportation, back and forth, like to home and back. So I didn't really need it during college, and now it's, I don't even know how many years since passed, but like I've been nervous, and then my anxiety really, really gets to me. So I feel like this year I can do anything, and I want to get my permit soon. And then during the summertime, I want like to get my license. Like, that is my goal. For me, it's pretty scary. I'm already like getting anxiety talking about it, but still. It's a good goal. For people, anyone that is scared of driving, I'm right there with you. Like sometimes I have to close my eyes when people are driving, when I'm in the passenger seat. Like it's just, yeah. So get my permit. Next is to read every night, which kind of sounds weird probably, but most people nowadays are usually on their phones, computers, laptops, iPads. I'm very guilty of this. I usually am on my iPad before I go to bed watching YouTube videos. I play games on my iPad, and then after I'm done with that, I go onto my phone and then I go to sleep, which I think it's very bad for your brain before you go to sleep. So goal is to read my goal is to read the whole Harry Potter series. I'm still on the first one. I might want to start it over. I don't know. So the whole series, the whole 7 books in a year. We'll see how that goes. And I'm a very slow reader. I'm not good at reading out loud. Like in school I flippin' hated it, but now that like I'm an adult, like I can read at my own pace and not have anyone judge me. So read every night before I go to bed. Another goal is to drink more water. I am a coffee fiend. Like it's bad. Like I have one right here. This is Dunkin' Donuts Caramel Swirl. 3 milk and 3 sugar. It's just so good. But then I get like dehydrated and I get like dry mouth and everything. So I got a new water, well my brother got me a new water bottle. It looks like this. It's from Target and it's from, I don't even know the name. This keeps your water cold and keeps your drink hot whenever you need it, and you can put ice in it and everything. So this is going to be my new water bottle for the gym and just like my everyday water bottle. But this comes off and then you can put the ice in there, so you can start off your drink cold. So, and I feel like if my water bottle, this sounds horrible, but if my water bottle is pretty, I'm gonna drink from it. And it's like purple marble, and I absolutely love purple and I love marble, so going to try to drink more water. Next one is face my fears. This is kind of like personal things, but like also like my anxiety, like not get over my anxiety because I know I'm going to have it for the rest of my life, but try to get over the hill, get over the bumps in the road and all that. Like I am petrified of dogs. That's why I have my cat. And I'm getting used to them. I go over this guy's house and he has 3 dogs and 2 cats. And one of the dogs is ginormous and it jumps on me, and I'm starting to be okay with it. And it's just thinking about it, good, like again, anxiety, but still. Next is more adventures, even if it's like taking like a shopping trip or like going to like a certain mall and it's like another town, or going to a different city or whatever. I would like to travel more in 2018. Thing is, I don't have a car. I could take the T, I could take the bus, but I would like to travel more and just have like, obviously not to like Europe or anything. I would love that, but still. Just travel more in general. Go to different places, try different coffee shops and all that. Just new things, which leads me to trying different foods. I'm a very picky eater. If I go to a restaurant and they have chicken fingers, I'll get that. If they have a salad, I'll get that. But that's about it. I won't branch out. Like, I'm not a fan of sushi. I'm not a fan of sushi, and I'm willing to try it. So that might be my first food. I don't know. We'll see. Try to make YouTube my job. I am a freelance makeup artist and I'm a personal care assistant, so I'm making money here and there. I'm not bringing in like thousands of dollars, but I love what I do, and I love planning videos, I love scheduling videos, I love editing videos and the thumbnails. So, and I was in graphic design for college, so this is kind of like putting all my things into one, and I would just love it to be a whole thing. Like, I would love it to I would love it to be my job, like reviewing products and everything. That it's just a beauty influencer, YouTuber, whatever, but like that's what I want in life. Another random one is to color more. Kind of sounds weird, but like I have so many adult coloring books, kind of like just like random pattern ones. I'm looking at them right now. I have a Harry Potter one, I have a Vogue one. Like I would just like to color them and like make them presentable and like put them in a frame and like make a gallery wall somewhere of like my coloring book pages. Sounds kind of childish or whatever, but like I feel that will make me happy, and like listening to like classical music while I do it, that just makes me like I want to do it right now and not do anything else for the rest of the day, but I can't do that. But it just makes me feel so relaxed when I do it, and I want to be more relaxed in 2018. 2017, like from 2015 to 17 was very, very stressful years for me. Started to develop anxiety, whatever, so I would like to be a little more relaxed, just a little bit. But I have some beauty goals, which is kind of weird to say. When I have a full face of makeup on, like a full coverage foundation, concealer, all those steps, what I show you like when I do like my fancy makeup like on my channel, I would love to do that every single day. I know some people just do their brows, mascara, and a little tinted moisturizer and they're out. I can't do that. If I'm going out somewhere, I need my brows to be done and have some makeup on my eyes, but I would just love to have like a full glam face, even like what I'm wearing today. Like I went out like this, minus the lip, which goes on to another goal, is to wear a lipstick every day. I have so many lipsticks and I only wear like one or two. I wear like the Fenty gloss, the Marc Jacobs gloss, or one of my Bite lipsticks, and that's it. Like this is Candy K by Kylie, and I haven't worn this in so long and I missed it. Like I'm looking in the viewfinder and I love the color of it. Like why haven't I worn this in so long? I don't know. So try to wear a different lipstick every day. I have some purples, I have some browns. Like I'm gonna go out there and I don't care what people say. I'm gonna do it for myself because it's gonna make me feel a whole lot better. And another beauty goal is to actually do my hair, not to like let it air dry or whatever. Like I went out last night and I curled my hair and I knew I was going out today, so I didn't do anything to it. I didn't comb it through. I just put little dry shampoo on it and it's like the messy waves, whatever. And I love that look. So I feel like maybe doing hair the night before so it doesn't take up much of my time. I just want to be able to do my hair and not just have it like in a top knot, you know, or like air dry and whatever. So yeah, those are my goals. They're probably gonna change, but you know what, 2018 is a new year. What day is it? It is the 8th. And we have until December 31st, wow, of this year to see if I can do all my goals. And it is hard for people. It's going to be hard for me to do most of this, but we're going to, one step at a time, 1 hour at a time, 1 day at a time. I'm getting very emotional. I don't know why. Setting these goals is very, very like different for me. Like I never did this in the past, but this year I want to do everything on my list. I want to do it so I can keep you updated month to month and see and like give a little like a mini update or something. If you would like to see that, comment down below. Also, tell me what your goals are. Comment down below some of your goals. Maybe I can put them in my goal list, or some of the stuff that I said that you guys can put in yours. So yeah, just a random 2018 video to start off the year. So if you liked this video and you are excited for more videos, I got some good ones coming up. For 2018, I'm going to make my channel like beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. I'm not going to just keep it to beauty, but I am going to keep my name, Caitlin Shay MUA, because I feel like that flows so beautiful. So some of my stuff is going to be personal, some of my stuff is just going to be random videos, but it's going to be a different type of video style in here. I'm going to try to do some like effects of my videos and stuff, so there's going to be changes to me and my channel, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, if you're excited for all that, I could keep going, but you know what, I'm going to just stop right there. Give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, which is basically the same thing. Hit that subscribe button below this video and hit that notification bell so you are updated every time that I upload a video. And I will see you next time in my next video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.